As essential workers and senior citizens get vaccinated, so are some of the state's prisoners. The state tells us half of the inmates on Oahu and Maui who qualify at this time have decided to get vaccinated. Sarah Madison reports.
The Department of Public Safety tells us last month healthcare staff started vaccinating inmates on Oahu who currently qualify under Phase 1B. We're told inmates who qualify under 1B are those 75 and up and at highest risk of complications if they caught the virus. The state also started administering shots to those who qualify on Monday at Maui Community Correctional Center. The public safety spokeswoman says, "We are currently coordinating with DOH on the rollout of vaccine distribution for inmates who currently qualify on Kauai and Hawaii Island beginning in early March." The state tells us corrections facilities have a history of disease outbreaks or clusters. About 1,000 inmates in the state have recovered from COVID. There are currently 26 active cases. The Healthcare Association of Hawaii tells us for people in settings like long-term care facilities, the risk is higher. This also includes places such as prisons.
The other thing we need to consider is that if prisoners get sick and they need to go to a hospital, then there's a cost that society pays to doing that. And so we end up paying that cost.
In terms of when the next group will be vaccinated, Rathel says we could see 70 to 74-year-olds who are part of 1C start scheduling for vaccinations in 1 to 2 weeks.
We want to ensure that we get the rest of those essential frontline workers vaccinated. That includes teachers, for example. We want to ensure all of our teachers get vaccinated. So as soon as we get through those groups, we can then move into 1C.
Rathel says vaccine supply is increasing, which will help the state move faster through the phases.
Good news is that now we're getting information 2 to 3 weeks in advance as to what's available, and so that helps as well. And that will allow us to do more concrete forward planning.
Sarah Madison, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.